Gee willikers, a flat tire on my lawnmower? Oh wow, what do I do? Hello? Hey, yeah, I was wanting to see if you guys could come out here and get my lawnmower. I got a flat tire on the back of it, and I don't know what's wrong with it. It's like the little dilly thing that you put air into it with is gone. It's broke off or something. Oh, gee willikers, I got a flat on the lawnmower. Oh, honey, get the credit card out. We gotta buy a new lawnmower. Don't be this guy, folks. I'll show you what you need to do. Hey everybody, Cokeman 250 here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a valve stem on a lawnmower. And what we got, it broke off. So pretty much the tire's flat. Hey, all you do is give it a good push. There's a piece of valve stem. Oh, go down to your local parts store. There's a number on the back of this valve stem. I don't know if it'll ever zoom to see that, but this is actually a TR412. You match it up with the old TR412, and it's a very simple process. I mean, I work with guys who take their stuff in to get worked on for the least amount of anything, and they have somebody come and do it or something like that. But you know, live frugal. Let's get your new valve stem. I like to put a little spit around it. Alright, so you got your valve stem in the top, in the hole. Grab your pair of pliers, grab the bottom on the other side. And I have to push from the top. Just pull it down in there until it seats. And you'll see it seat. Get your tire back out around it. There it is. Fill it up with air. Two of those tire valve stems were, I think it was like $3.50. So what's that, $1.75? Done, fixed. So live frugal, guys. Fix your own valve stems. This Cokeman 250 from the land of the free and the home of the brave. God bless everybody, and remember, prep smarter and pray harder.